Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Aleem Yunus, roll number 438848. My topic is analysis of atmospheric sample submitted to Sarasu Saab, BS Chemistry, 6th semester evening. ये मेरा टॉपिक है एनालिसिस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक सैम्पल। इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे एटमॉस्फेरिक सैम्पल के को हम एनालाइज करेंगे। सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन से एंड उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस से। एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेसिपिटेशन इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ कंडेंसेशन ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर वेपर ड्यू टू एडियाबैटिक कूलिंग. Precipitation falls down to the surface in the form of rain, snow, drizzle, snow pellets and hail, floats in the air in the form of clouds and fog, and settles on the surface in the form of dew, hoarfrost and rime. To be a source of reliable analytical information, a sample must be representative of the object and reliable analytical information. A sample must be representative of the object or distribution from which it is extracted. प्रैक्टिस में हम क्या करेंगे, सैम्पल्स को एनालाइज करेंगे कॉमनली बी अ स्मॉल फ्रैगमेंट के साथ ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. वी मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ इंश्योर दैट द सैम्पल्स or as representative possible. Sampling has a special significance for all an analysis process. One of the most important way sample can fail to be representative is through sample concentration. For sampling of atmospheric deposits, the proper precipitation of the sampler in important factor of minimizing sample concentration. The most obvious step is absolute most important cleaning the sampler before collecting sample. जी नेक्स्ट हमारा है क्लाउड वाटर सैम्पल्स. Over the last 20 years, investigators have examined the chemical composition of CL fog. They have studied the processes occurring in atmospheric particles and developed sample collection methods. Collecting sample of fog and cloud water is often more complicated than collecting samples of precipitation or runoff water. Fog and cloud water samplers that are used for the elevation of pollutants differ from those used for water measurements. As with any instruments, the collection should also be easy to use and automate and should require minimal maintenance. ये आगे हमारा पैसिव कलेक्शन आएगा. पैसिव collections are often simpler in operation and may be used in windy environments. Their inspection characteristics are less controllable. The collecting elements for passive collectors may vary from flat surface to solid elements like rods, tubes as well as strings rope. आगे हम देखेंगे फॉग वाटर कलेक्टेड ऑन द स्ट्रिंग्स इज स्टोर्ड in a 500 ml polyethylene bottle. collection area हमारे पास होगा 314 सेंटीमीटर. a hot above the collection prevents rain from diluting the fog sample. आगे हमारे पास आएगा collective collectors use either forced flow fans या pumps आएंगे. Motors moving the collecting elements in the air to achieve the same end. Active collectors typically use collection elements such as rods, tubes, strings, ropes, filaments, screens and flat surface. आगे हमारे पास आएगा sample collection volumes range from 50 to 200 ml, which can take from 50 to 180 minutes depending on the liquid water contents. आगे हमारे पास आएगा मल्टी स्टेज फ्रैक्शनिंग सैंपल्स. The operation of two-stage fog water inspector is also based on the principle of inertial inspections on a plane surface. Again, rotation collections. Active Simpler describes the Glotfelty is a rotating screen device 50 cm in diameter, which from 4 layers of stainless steel screens are rotated around a central axis. अगर मैं अदर टाइप्स ऑफ सैम्पल्स होंगे ग्लोबल जियोकेमिस्ट्री, मैश इंस्पेक्शन, फॉग सिंपलर, एंथी डेजर्ट रिसर्च आएगा, इंस्टीट्यूट आएगा, in which it is thrown into the instrument index trace tracted by a surface internal to the device. Fog air is definite at the rate of 0.2 milli to 30 per minute, and the fog droplets impact on the collector, which is maintained at 50 centigrade in the cooling chamber. The sampling period varies from 30 to 120 minutes, and in this time from 5 to 30 ml of fog water is collected. और लास्ट पे हमारे पास आएगा द simpler can be used for collecting bulk phase cloud of fog water by increasing the time for the application of the voltage to the discharge electrode from 1 second to 5 to 50 minutes.